not gonna take so long. Hold on. Probably let me not go. Had to have them in a gag. Shan't be Jan along. Toilet. But when I see like Dr. Rick's moms in court, the court in Kwananka Public South Sudanese court, the court that who dumb judges don't even know nothing. The court who lawyers, the people who sue or who pursue Dr. Rick went to court empty-handed. They don't even have evidence. And the thing that made me smile is the way that Dr. Rick's smiling. The man, he smiled like those people, I know them. I know more than you guys. I know them long time ago. They're stupid people. Shame of your South Sudanese government. You went to court today like suing somebody, even though the innocent. I saw my cousin Mampal today at court. I saw my cousin Potcam. The innocent, they never done nothing wrong. But just because they're from Nather, because they knew her. You're trying to shut everybody down, right? I feel happy. That smile alone make you guys stupid. The way you can talk doll can just make you guys stupid. Long. You can try everything to shut down Nur people, to shut down Nur men. You can try to kill them. But the man who has a dignity like Ring Machar and Potkan will never go to soul themselves. I am so happy. And I feel proud. Even though Shankala died today, I feel proud of Ngaye Nur. Mangudi take dignity. Shira Koga Kramadon, Nur Shako Kramadon. Would could smile like he know everything. So the way Dr. X smile in court is the way that he already know that those are stupid. That's how I feel. I'm like, those stupid people, do you think that I can waste my time to do this? No. They smart man who was mad because of Sudan. Dr. Ringmachar, thank you. We see you guys today, and nothing will happen to you. Because the problem because of Sudan, you better than them. They already know that they are a failure. They know that. If you become a president of South Sudan today, you can build that nation, take that nation to the next levels. But they don't want to be. They don't even want to build the countries. They don't want to do nothing. Shameless people. They just talking about killing my child. He killed people a long time ago. How many Nur people die in Juba 2013? Why shall self-proclaim a court today? Because he's a president, right? If we talking about somebody who kills people, we should be talking about self-proclaim, not either. Am I done?
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay. Shut the fuck up, then. Hold on. My first load, tell you pen. So Raman the Nanko court, it should be self-care, not instead young my child. It should be self-care. Hold on, I get it. Hold on, Liam, don't worry. Wait for me. It should be. Wait. It should be somebody who's mission our next. It should be self-care because he kills children in 2013 in society that we already know everything. First world, he was a killer. But because he's from Dinka or he's from whatever, They don't even want to pursue or put charge. But the world one day will put him in court. As long as we're still alive, believe me, one day he will pay the consequences. Not going to be today's, not going to be good, but one day. Hold on. I'm in Chong. And let me show you. I'm a truck driver. So I drive truck, and I am already put on my first. Hold on. Let me switch my camera. You're gonna see what truck I have. Okay. I just. Hold on, wait no there. I have a load to I have a load that target load we can pick up water. Yeah, no. So that's why America could survive, could take a native knowledge now. If you see me right now, I'm at work, but I still gonna talk. See that? See those things? We can do that. I never show whatever I'm doing, but let me shut my door, close my door, because I'm leaving too. So we're not easy. That's a fight. She and Abby Sharaba got Johnny. Elimelay and Moon Terka, one of Condi, election, Banashan. Then I have Banashan, Bako Terka, and Ogua. So, you think driving a truck was a man's job, right? No. It's not a man's job. Oh, my truck, I didn't check it.
Turn right on Munn Memorial Drive, then keep right.
Okay, I gotta go, y'all. I know that they're not gonna find nothing. I don't mind, because Dr. Youngmash never done nothing wrong. Just because if you are a person with a knowledge, or just because they're stupid. The governments, everything. I feel like all the people that had the power. That's why if you think about it, the president himself take a motivate or whatever. No, because he's intelligent. He doesn't know nothing. That's why he get envious. That's why he get mad whenever Young Machar says, because Young Machar got an idea. Young Machar, the world here, Young Machar, Young Machar, which work office there. Cha nyure yen ga tanga to ngli bane liya mala go jaga selfa wana ko hopa da la nyure ne ko nyure ne. No re much. He's a man melati dia la gorpe. Thank you. I gotta go. I gotta go back to work. I'll see you guys later. See you better, but I have a load. I'm your paying a guadum tea and then below could gun.